How to open CapCut shared project file. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to open shared project file in CapCut. After you open the CapCut like this, so you go to this menu at the top left side. After you click on the menu, so click on this back to home page. So after you click on the back to home page, so now it will open your CapCut like this. So the first thing to do, now you go to minimize. After you minimize the CapCut, so now here is the folder that someone shared with me with a project. So if I want to open this folder in my CapCut, so all I have to do now, I'll go to this Windows. After you go to Windows on your PC, so tap on this type and type in run. After you search for run like this, so now open it. After you open the run, so now go and type in this app data. After you search for app data, now enter. So the app data folder will open for you like this. So the first thing to do, you go to local, scroll to down and select CapCut. Go to user data. So go to scroll to down and go to project. After you open the project folder, so from this folder, now go to this one, com.iv editor.draft. So second to the last one. After you open this folder, so now you go and find the folder that the person shared with you. So now here is the folder on my desktop. So now drag the folder into your directory. So now here is the folder inside. So if I scroll to down, now as you can see, now here is the name of the folder, team sheet. If I want to open this folder now, if I go back now to my CapCut, after I open the CapCut like this, so I'll just scroll to down and find the folder, the name called team sheet. So I'll find it. Now here is the folder, as you can see, here is the name. So now if you want to open the project, you just click on this. After you double click on it, now it will open the project for you in your CapCut, and then you can proceed with the editing. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next one.